hon. Sandali lang, sandali lang. Huwag ka muna gumalaw. Huwag ka muna gumalaw. It's okay. You're okay.
Ano nangyari?
Na-aksidente ka habang nagtatrekan. It's okay. Okay ka na. Okay na tayong dalawa.
Thank you, Juan. I love you.
I love you. I love you so much. Natakot ako. Akala ko ano nangyari sa'yo. Hindi ko kaya na wala ka. Hindi ko kakayanin kung may masamang nangyari sa'yo. I'm so sorry. I promise, hindi na ako magsaselos. I'll be a better wife. I'll be the best wife. I promise you. Just pangako mo lang sa akin. Please, promise me. No more secrets, please. I can't take any more secrets. Just promise me.
May nakitang abnormalities sa brain mo.
Abnormalities? Like what?
The MRI shows that meron kang early onset Alzheimer's disease.
I promise. No more secrets.
No more secrets.
No more secrets. I love you.
I love you.